I found peace in your vibes. I've been quiet for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your vibes.
Hello, hey, how you guys doing? It's me again, Gio. And I just want to show you how to put on these lashes that the giveaway people did receive that showed up to my live stream. Thank you so much for the live giveaway of the JC palette, and just thank you so much for supporting this channel, and everybody's been so sweet and nice in the comments. I super appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I just want to show you how to put on these lashes. The bands are a little bit thick, so I just want to show you some tricks to, and this probably will work for with any kind of lashes that are difficult to put on, that have a really thick band on them. So stay tuned if you want to figure out how to do that. Oh my god, that is so dramatic. No lash, lash, no lash, lash. But anywho, yeah, these are the lashes. Of course I have one on right now, but yeah, I just wanted to show you how to easily put them on. And of course, you know, with any lashes, just kind of push from the top so you don't destroy them. I've done that to one too many lashes. It was not good, but just be really careful when you remove them. And just kind of push it. I just kind of push it down. I have chocolate on my finger. I just kind of push it down my thumbnail, and then just kind of, and then from the ends I'll gently just kind of remove them here. Okay, try not to destroy them. Perfecto. And as you can see, the band is like really thick on there, and there's not much mobility there. So the first time I put these lashes on, like the corners stuck up like crazy, and I was not a fan of that. So I'm like, there's gotta be a different way. And then while I was wearing them, I just like, I would still wear them anyway, because I'm like, well, I'm not gonna throw them away. I'm not gonna waste money like that. Even though it's actually, these are actually really cheap. But this will probably work with any lash that has a really thick band on it. You can remove some of the fibers, and I just take my little handy dander, little tweezer here, and I'll just pull at the end, and kind of gotta fight through that stickiness right there, but just kind of start pulling. Hold on, let me get a better visual for you guys right here. And I'll start from the end, because I usually cut off a little bit on the end anyway, but I'll just kind of pull at the end here, and you should be able to, there it goes already. And if you pull out a little bit on the very end, not a big deal, because I'm going to chop that part off anyway. But oh, I just had a thread. There it is. Okay, so if you see right here, there's a little thread that'll come out, and you can pull out multiple threads, but I suggest only pulling like one or two, and it'll make the band a lot more flexible, so you can apply your lashes without the end sticking up all crazy like. So I'll just take that, and then gently, you know, where you're pulling from, try to hang on to so you don't rip your lash in half. And I've done that before too, so just being impatient. But yeah, and just pull out that little thread, and but yeah, it's much more movable. And I'll just, I honestly don't think I chopped off enough on this eye, because that lash is pretty crazy looking, but it's all good. But ever since I started doing kind of more dramatic eye looks, I really like these lashes. They're vegan, lashes, cruelty-free, and I've been vegan for a couple years, but I want to try to, I don't know, no one cares about that. Anyway, but yeah, we'll just chop off. So these ones are kind of like individually, like there's like, you know, group here, group here, group here sort of thing. So I'll just chop off like the first little, for my eye I usually go like 1.5, but I only chopped off one for this eye, so I don't want to make it too uneven. And in case I need to pull any more threads, I thought that just popped right out there. And if I need to pull any more threads, then I'll be cutting that part off anyway. But usually like 1 or 2 are good enough to make it very pliable and easy to put on. But these lashes last a long freaking time. I wear them longer than I'd like to admit, for freaking sure. But that's all good. Don't judge me. I'm broke, okay? But yeah, it's these are my favorite lashes. I've been trying to find mink lashes. They're expensive as hell. I got a 3-pack of these for like $8. Like, that's crazy. That's like beauty supply prices. So yeah, I'm super pleased with these lashes. They're great and they last a very long time. I still don't want to admit how long I wear them for, but trust me, they last a very, very long time. But yeah, I mean, of course, I just, you know, regular, just little thin strip of glue there. And I like to use this, what is it? The clear adhesive with the aloe vera in it. It's a lot less irritating on my eyes, especially if I sweat or something. It doesn't, my eyes don't sting. My eyes never sting. But let me see. Oh my, how can I do this? Hello, everybody. Welcome to my face. And I just want to apply this. I look so orange. Why do I look orange? Oh well. Well, that's fine. Anyways, you're going to just, I like to try to, oh my god, it's gonna be so hard. So I'm gonna do it here, but you'll see me. Okay. I've already messed up. So I'll kind of put the middle down first and then touch the sides down. And then just kind of hold it there for a couple seconds. And just kind of gently let go. And open my eyes. And then I'll kind of wiggle it to where I want it to go. And I like to leave a little bit of space in my water, my inner eye corner, because sometimes if it's too close it'll get really irritating and super annoying since these lashes are so thick. But I have not had any issues with them. Okay. Man, let's say they're really noticeable, very, very dramatic lashes, but I wear them every day, so I love them. They last forever, trust me. Trust me on that, they last forever. But yeah, that's about it. And if you're wondering how I got this makeup look, you can check out my Instagram, and I did like a little video of how to all the eyeshadows I used for this look. And I know it's a little crazy, but I love it. It looks so cute. And I just been wanting to use my little blue blood palette, but yeah, it's very cute. I like it very much. But I'm still struggling to try to find a cohesive one palette kind of eyeshadow look, and that's, you know, a little bit different than what people have been doing. But I don't know. I haven't completely fallen in love with one kind of, you know, I love to use it in combination with other palettes, but it's difficult for me personally to try to do one entire look that's just blue that doesn't, I don't know, it's a struggle for me, but I'll figure it out. It's fine, don't worry about it. But yeah, I'll soon upload a video of the Blue Blood palette thing, and I will do the giveaway information on there, so stay tuned. I'm doing the little Blue Blood palette giveaway, and I was wanting to do a little, just knocking stuff over, still knocking stuff over. I was just wanting to do like a swatches, tests, blah 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 kind of thing, but I mean, you know what it looks like, you know, you don't need me to swatch everything, but I might do it for fun anyway. Maybe on my giveaway video I'll do that. It'd be kind of fun just to play with all the colors and stuff and see what I can come up with. And I've just really been loving yellows and greens lately. You'll notice my whole Instagram is yellow right now. I don't know, for each month I've been trying to do it like a different color. It's kind of working. I don't know, it's kind of fun. I like to change things up and play around with different filters and stuff, as y'all have seen. But yeah, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can, I hope this helps you apply the lashes and whatnot. And I honestly like taking out that extra little band thing for real really helps, like astronomically. The first time I wore them, I cut them or whatever, and then I tried wearing them and it was like, why am I doing this? And then it was after like a few wears that when I was, you know, picking up the glue, that like a thread accidentally came up, and I was like, oh, okay. And then it was like more pliable, and I was like, and I put it on, I was like, oh, okay, well I wonder if I can just take that little thing out. So I mean, I'm assuming and I've had to throw out lashes in the past because they were like unwearable because the band was so thick, and now like I'm really happy that I figured this thing out, that I can remove it with tweezers. So just be really careful, and then do the tweezers part first before you cut it, so if you like pull out some little hairs or whatever, it's not too damaging to the lash. So, but yeah, these are like almost $2 a pop. They're super cheap. I have a link down below if you want to check them out. It's really funny, when I first started using these lashes, they were not Amazon's choice, but now they are actually Amazon's like choice lashes for this category, I guess the mink lashes or whatever. But yeah, they're great. Price is good. You get 3 pairs for like $8. They're so cheap. It blows my mind. I'm like, you know, I'm a review person. I look at reviews always before I purchase anything, so I'm really happy. So happy I found these lashes, and saw a couple pictures, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And also I'm gonna leave a review, but I want to do like a, you know, a nice eye look too, so I can you know, leave a good review as well, because yeah, they're awesome. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. And I think I'll be doing a closet video of me like organizing my closet, or like try-harding at organizing my closet. But I got really super obsessed with these closet organization shows and stuff. So I'm like, you know what, I just want to create a smaller version of that, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it, and I feel like I've actually did it. Like it's really cute. So we'll see. But if you want to see what's in my closet, check out my next video, and then I'll have the Blue Blood palette. I've been waiting to do a really good eye makeup look, so please be patient. The giveaway still will be happening. So I will post it on my Instagram. I'm on Instagram like most of the time. If you ever want to contact me, Instagram. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps. I hope this helps. If you have any problems with the lashes, just let me know. And but yeah, I'm not sponsored, by the way. I don't have sponsors. I just started my channel like a couple months ago. I'm very new. I don't have sponsors. So just so you know, if you were wondering, this is sponsored. None of my content is sponsored. The palette giveaway, I'm not on PR list, so yeah, I buy everything. So just so you know, these are my honest opinions. So thank you for watching, and enjoy the lashes if you won them in the giveaways. Enjoy them. I love them. They last forever. So I don't know if you have like a little lens case or anything, but I'll try to link a couple below or something. I'm an Amazon freak. Like I've had Amazon Prime for like 5 years, so freaking love it. And but yeah, and hopefully I can get some of my DIY makeup stuff up on here too. But it's been a lot. I'm doing a lot of stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a good day and a wonderful tomorrow. Bye. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. 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 Do you like my kitty cat hat? Meow 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 meow. Freaking love this. I'm so glittery. Na 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 na.